Hi everyone, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Sylvia Clubb and I am the Quill and Scroll Communications Coordinator. I'm going to take you through the entry form for the Writing, Photo, and Multimedia Contest today, just in case you're having any issues entering. As a reminder, our contest closes on February 5th. So let's get right to it. The first thing you're going to need to do is go to quillandscroll.org. So I've shown you my screen where I have quillandscroll.org pulled up. You're going to hover over contests and go down to writing, photo, and multimedia. We also have it right on the homepage. So once you're here, you're going to see a little bit about WPM as well as the contest lists. If you're looking for more information about what the contests are about or the individual categories, make sure to click here. And then we have information about our news media evaluation service. But let's start with the form. So I'm going to click start here to enter the contest. It'll load to a new page and I'll hit start. All right, so I will just use Quill and Scroll's information as if I was entering as a high school. Make sure to fill out your entire address as well as your entire school name. That's important for us to know when we award your students. All right, so this says how many $10 entries will you submit from these 4 categories? Pandemic coverage series or package, in-depth team reporting, documentary film, or video news show. So let's say I'm going to submit a pandemic video package as well as a video news show. So that's going to be 2 entries. So I'll put 2 down. And if I tab down to the next line, it'll automatically total for me. So for those 2 entries, it's $20. The next says, how many other entries will you submit? So out of the 30 other categories, every entry is worth $5. And let's say I'm going to submit 25 entries. So I'll add 25 there, and it automatically totals for me. And this says, if you intend to register for the News Media Evaluation Critique Service, the first is a comprehensive multimedia critique with comments for $150. Well, I'd like to enter the News Media Evaluation Service, but I don't want to enter this option, so I'm going to hit 0. I'll tab down to the next one, which is a comprehensive single news medium, and this is the one I want. So I'll put 1, and then I'll put 0 for the next 2, and it automatically subtotaled for me. So I would write this down if I were you. My subtotal, or my total amount due, is going to be $225. At Quill and Scroll, you can pay via check, purchase order, or credit card. And if you pay via credit card, you can pay online, which is a great option. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I'll hit credit card. And this just has our payment instructions if you pay by check, with our address, our email for if you pay by purchase order, and a direct link if you pay by credit card. So I will copy that and put it in my next. Go there. And I'll come back to that in a second because I want to finish entering my entries. So go back to this page and I'll say submit. All right. I can now start submitting my individual entries. And if you remember, I had 27 total. So I'll hit the Google form. It'll take me to a new page. And I'll fill out my information for each individual entry. But I'm not going to fill out all 27 entries today, so I'll just fill it out as if this is my last entry of 27. And let's say it was an editorial writing column. And my headline is just going to say headline 1. I'll post a link as if this was the link to my entry. All right, and I'm going to show you directly how to do this on Google Docs. So the important thing about entering something, if you've uploaded it to Google Docs, say it's a picture that was included in the spread of your publication, and it's a PDF format that you uploaded to Google Docs. You want to make sure that we can view that. So I'm going to take you just to a blank document I created. And when you do this, you want to make sure that your sharing settings are turned on. So if you go to File, Share. Oh, I'll have to name it. Okay, Document. So you'll hit Share. And so here it says restricted only people added can open with this link. We want to change that. So we will say change to anyone with the link. And now it says anyone on the internet with the link can view. That's what we want because we want to make sure all of our judges can view your work to be able to grade it basically. So we want to make sure it works. So I'll hit done. And now my link is ready to share. So I'll copy it and then I can paste it here. Okay, I'm acting as if this is my last entry. So I would hit no, I have no more entries. However, if I had more, I would hit yes. So I hit next and submit to finish. Now, you may be wondering, what do I do if I have more than 30 entries? Our form only allows for 30 at a time. So if you have more than 30 and you hit submit, all you need to do is submit another response. Super easy. The most important part, though, we want to remember is that once you're done filling out your entries, you want to make sure you either send us a check, fill out a purchase order, or complete your credit card information online. So an easy way to find that, you can pay on our website with credit card right on the Writing Photo and Multimedia page, or if you remember, it was saved directly in the school entry form link. So I'll hit pay with credit card. And I'll just need to fill out all my information, but it was $225. I'll hit continue. And then here I'll fill out my information. Remember, there's no entry limit, so feel free to send us as many entries as you'd like. We would love to view them and include them in our contest judging. If you have any questions at all, please make sure to reach out to us. You can visit our website at quillandscroll.org or send us an email at quill-scroll@uiowa.edu. Thanks so much, guys.